Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make sand sculpture base in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to talk to Azure to unlock the sand sculpture hobby. Once you unlock the hobby, you can make this item, sand sculpture base, and you will get a recipe guys. Make sure that you learn the recipe, and then you're going to go to the workbench and you're going to select the recipe for this sand sculpture base. Okay, and then I'm going to create for instance 5. Okay, and you just need to craft it. Okay, done. And I've just made the sand sculpture base. And if you want to use it, you're going to go to your inventory and equip this item. Okay, I'm gonna place it here. And you can only use it once, guys. After you make a sand sculpture with this item, it will automatically disappear. Okay, and just click on this icon to start making sand sculpture in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the sand sculpture base item in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!